Imagine buying a car that required you to purchase every upgrade separately, visit the dealership for every repair, and could only be driven from one location. Now imagine another car that automatically improves itself, can be accessed anywhere, receives new features regularly, and only requires a simple monthly payment. That comparison is surprisingly similar to the difference between traditional software and software as a service, or SaaS. For decades, businesses relied on traditional software installed directly onto individual computers or company servers. It was a standard way to run accounting systems, manage customer data, create documents, and operate businesses. While it worked well for its time, it also came with significant challenges. Companies had to purchase expensive licenses, maintain their own hardware, hire IT professionals, and manually install updates. Today, the software industry has shifted dramatically. Cloud technology has introduced a new model where businesses no longer own software in the traditional sense. Instead, they subscribe to online applications that are continuously updated, securely maintained, and accessible from almost anywhere. This new approach is known as software as a service, or SaaS, and it has fundamentally changed how organizations use technology. Understanding the differences between SaaS and traditional software is essential because choosing the right model can affect a company's costs, productivity, and growth. Traditional software requires installation on local computers or company servers. Once purchased, the software typically remains on that device. Users must manually install updates or purchase entirely new versions. Businesses are responsible for maintaining the infrastructure. Businesses must handle backing up data, ensuring cybersecurity, and resolving technical issues internally. This often demands dedicated IT teams. SaaS eliminates most of these responsibilities. Instead of installing software, users simply access applications through a web browser or mobile app. The software itself runs on powerful cloud servers managed by the provider, updates happen automatically, and customers always use the latest version. One of the biggest differences between these models is cost. Traditional software usually requires a large upfront investment. Businesses purchase licenses, buy servers, maintain hardware, and often pay additional fees for upgrades and technical support. SaaS replaces these upfront expenses with predictable monthly or annual subscriptions. Organizations pay only for what they use. Accessibility is another major distinction. Traditional software often limits employees to computers where the software is installed. Remote work becomes complicated because users may need virtual private networks or complex infrastructure to access business applications outside the office. SaaS applications, on the other hand, are designed for mobility. Employees can securely log in from laptops, tablets, or smartphones anywhere. Software updates also reveal significant differences. Traditional software requires manual installation and often complete system migrations. With SaaS, updates occur automatically behind the scenes. Customers receive new features and performance improvements without interrupting their workflow. Security is often misunderstood. Many assume software installed locally is safer because the data stays inside the organization. While this provides control, it also places the entire responsibility for cybersecurity on the business itself, which can be difficult to manage. Leading SaaS providers invest millions of dollars into cybersecurity infrastructure, encryption, and dedicated security teams. Scalability is another area where SaaS excels. As businesses grow, traditional software often requires purchasing additional hardware. SaaS platforms are built for rapid growth. Adding new employees often requires nothing more than creating additional user accounts. Collaboration has also changed dramatically. Traditional software frequently stores files locally, making teamwork difficult when employees work from different locations. Cloud-based SaaS applications enable multiple users to work on the same files simultaneously. Teams can communicate in real time regardless of location. SaaS providers handle nearly all infrastructure management, allowing businesses to focus on customers and products rather than software maintenance. However, traditional software still offers advantages. Organizations in highly regulated industries may require complete control over sensitive data. Likewise, SaaS presents a few limitations. Reliable internet access remains essential because applications depend on cloud connectivity. The future clearly favors cloud-first solutions. Artificial intelligence and automation are increasingly integrated into SaaS platforms. Today, businesses rarely choose one model exclusively. Many adopt hybrid environments where traditional software supports legacy operations while SaaS powers new growth. Ultimately, the decision depends on your priorities. Knowing the differences between SaaS and traditional software will help you make smarter decisions. Whether you're starting a new business or modernizing operations, choose the service that helps you grow faster. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.